In this video, we are going to fix download error code on Microsoft Store. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you need to do is you need to run the troubleshooter for Windows Store apps. How we can do that, navigate at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. At the settings, please proceed to the left pane, find for this search bar at the upper left side and type for Windows Store apps. Once you have seen this find and fix problems with Windows Store apps, click on it and wait until you can open a new window where you can troubleshoot this Windows Store app. So click on next so that you can run the troubleshooter and please wait until this would be finished. So this will help you to fix the problem if the Windows Store apps is not working right. Once you are done with this troubleshooting, I want you to check if the error has been resolved, okay? But if not, then let's move on to the next solution, and that is to clear the cached and the junk files in your Microsoft Store. Press Windows key and R key together, and then paste the run command that I have given at the YouTube description. It is wsreset.exe. Click on the OK button, and after that, you'd be able to open this blank window. Please wait until you'd be able to clear your cached as well as the junk files successfully in your Microsoft Store. Once you are done, check if the error has been resolved. That's it. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.